Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy in Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to connect to your app and simply connecting to your Robinhood account. And after that, all you need to do is to start going to the invest place or to the invest menu. And all you need to do now is, as you can see here, there is this toolbar, and this one concerns this growth or for the investing like retirement, etc. This one is concerning the crypto. So basically here you will find all the crypto news, etc. And here where you can start investing, and basically you can start reserving your spot for your golden card in Robinhood. And of course this is the setting panel, and from here where you can start buying stocks, etc. So all you need to do now is just to choose a stock, and basically you can have a list. For example, for lists of stocks, etc., your own list, and basically you will need to already have some funds in your app. And after that, all you will need to do, for example, let's just go for this Google stock. And as you can see here, we can see that the Google is now some messages. You click on got it. And basically now all you need to do is to start clicking on trade. And basically now all you need to do is to choose whatever you like. And basically we need just to click on the trade, and then it will take you on the amounts that you want to buy, etc. In all the other informations. You fill in the form, you confirm, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.